with me, put your hand in mine. Find a place we can stay and stop time, so I can love you more as the years go by.
How absolutely stunning does my wife look? I mean, I knew you'd blow me away today, but nothing prepared me for that moment I see you walking down the aisle. I realised quite early on how special Monica really was. She is genuinely the most beautiful person inside and out, and she cares about everyone. Anyone who is friends with Monica would agree. She is so driven and absolutely will not let anything defeat her. I don't know how or why Monica saw something in me, but I smile every day that she did. Monica, you mean the world to me. You are my best friend, the most amazing mother I could ever wish for to our son, and my motivation to be a better person every single day. I'm so proud to call you my wife.
Run away, let it fall, the call of fear. Of all the things we could be, let's be right here. The little thoughts get caught, linger in your ear. So run away, let it fall and disappear. There's no place I'd rather be than right here with you. There's no